Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video from our series on Pinterest tips and hacks for running successful ads and how to maximize your results from Pinterest, from running successful campaigns and promoted pins on Pinterest. Now we will talk about a new hack or tip if you want so in this video, and practically we will talk about the fact that you have 4 audience targeting options and that you need to use them wisely in order to maximize your results from your promoted campaign. The first audience targeting option that you have is the location. So this one is very important, especially if you run a brick and mortar business and if you have maybe a store, a showroom, or a headquarter where people can come. Let me just give you an example. If you are running a pastry shop, it would be a very good idea to target your promoted campaigns or your ads towards people that are in the same city or in the same neighborhood with you, for people that can actually come and see your showroom or can see your store. Okay, this is very important, so keep this in mind, especially for brick and mortar business that have headquarters, showrooms, and stores. Now, another thing is the language. Again, if you have a business that it's addressed for a specific country, let's say for Spain, okay, maybe you are running coaching programs or I don't know, fitness programs, okay, in Spain, you would probably want to target also as location Spain, and as language you should target people obviously who are speaking Spanish. Okay, so this is very important, again, especially if you are running a more classical type of business. Then we have the gender. Okay, this one again obviously is very important because there are things that men buy and there are things that women buy, or this is also important in direct relationship with the copywriting that you have for your ad. Okay, because there are things that men can buy for women, okay, to make gifts for women. So you have to keep all these things in mind. And then the fourth one is the device that your target audience is using. So if you know that your target audience is probably using a lot of smartphones or maybe tablets or something like that, well, it would be a very good idea when you are running your campaigns and your ads to run them towards people that are using these types of device where you know that your audience is hanging out, okay, or that you know that your audience is using. Okay, so this is also very important. So guys, use your targeting wisely and you will get very good results, but keep in mind that you need to take in consideration all these 4 options that you have. Create a customer avatar or a buyer persona, as I like to call it, before creating your ads. Okay, this is very important because if you have a buyer persona or an avatar for your perfect customers, you will know exactly how to target and how to use these 4 options that Pinterest gives you. Now guys, I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you very much again for your attention, and till our next time, I wish you good luck. Bye for now. Sorin here.